Clobotics Drone as a Service empowers your personnel to conduct blade inspections using our IBIS system, the most advanced inspection technology currently on the market. IBIS is a fully autonomous platform that allows your technician to conduct blade inspections by themselves in just a few easy steps. This enables greater flexibility and significantly reduces cost while delivering the highest quality images and inspection data. No prior experience is required to operate our systems. Your technician will be certified to safely operate the drone after a 2-day online training program. The training includes video tutorials, PDF guides, and supervision by our instructors. You will receive the equipment prepared for fast and easy setup. At the press of a button, the drone takes off. IBIS uses advanced vision technology to calculate the most efficient flight path and adjusts image settings with no human intervention. The drone lands safely after the inspection, and encrypted data is uploaded via the Clobotics tablet for processing and identification of defects. Reports are delivered within 2 days via our intuitive web portal.